Welcome everybody. In this video I want to show you how you can slow down your clips or your videos in Adobe Premiere. There are actually 3 ways how you can do that, and I will show you all of them. The first option how you can slow down your clips is just right click, go to speed and duration, and you will find it here 50%, and it's like much longer. And if we are going to play it, you can see it's really slow. Let's undo. The second way how you can do that is to press right stretch tool R and go on the end of your video. Wait a second. Okay, let's move on this clip we got here because we won't need that. Oh, let's delete it. Again R and take it. Like this. And as you can see, again, it's going on a 90%, not 100. And it's much slower. All right. And now the last way how you can slow down your video, and it's really pretty amazing. Right click, show clip keyframes, time framing, speed. Wait a second, I think I unclicked it. Yep, it's here. Let's make it bigger. And right now it's on 100%. So what we want to do, you can just take it. And as you can see the number down there, like 37%, and it's much longer. Let's make it a little bit faster. But what you can do is to create a keyframes. So first, let's create a keyframe here, and let's create a keyframe here. We want only slow down this part here, and you can slow it down, and you can make faster everything up. So, yep. It's going to be really slow. Yeah, I think I'm not moving in that part. You can also smooth it if you want. Like that. So these are the 3 ways how you can slow down your clip in Adobe Premiere. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And yeah, thank you very much everybody. Bye bye.